Hello and welcome to IPC Global Channel. My name is Igor Alcantara and today we're going to talk about combination and permutation in Qlik. I have here the data of a bicycle stores with multiple units across the United States. And they want to build in different stores a showroom where they'll show some of their bikes. Let's say they want to promote next month mountain bikes, only what they have currently in stock. So those are 59 products. And they want to build a showroom with 5 bikes. So they want to know how many different ways they can prepare their showroom showing 5 bikes out of 59 possibilities. That is what we call a combination and a permutation. There is a difference that I'll explain in a minute. And those are the formulas. Basically, you use the factorial of how many items you have in total, which is 59, and the size of the groups, which is 5. In a combination, the order of the products or the order of the elements do not matter. So if I have bicycle 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and bicycles 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, those orders do not matter. It will be considered the same combination. On the other hand, permutation, which is this formula, the order matters. So those two different combinations, even that uses the same bikes, will be different permutations. We do have functions for combination and permutation in Qlik. So let me click Edit Sheet, and I will add a new KPI. So basically what I want to do is, based on how many products I'm displaying here, show the different ways I can display those products in my showroom. Let's click Add Measure, and then function of X. And then let's use the function combin for combination. The first parameter is number of elements. So it will be the count distinct of the product key. This is how many products we have. And the second parameter is the size of the group, which is 5. This is how many bikes we have in our showroom. This gives us over 5 million possibilities. It means we can take 59 products and combine them in 5 million different times in groups of 5s. Let's do the same, but now with the permutation function. Let me add another KPI. Add measure, fx, and let's use the function permute. The parameters are the same. First, how many elements we have, so it's the count distinct of product key. And the second is the group size, which is 5. It's even bigger because the order of the products will create different groups. So of course this number is much bigger than that. For a bigger number of elements like this, we of course produce bigger numbers, but this is very useful when you're talking about smaller groups. One example when to use this is, for example, in marketing. Let's say you have a specific budget to invest and you want to test where to invest that money. So let's say you have 10 different possibilities different Facebook pages, Instagram pages, YouTube channels, etc. You want to invest only in 3 places at a time. So then you want to know how many different possibilities do you have. So you can use combination and permutation to calculate that. And then see how many different experiments you need to run before finding out what is the best outcome for your marketing investment. There are also multiple applications of this in the medical field, in manufacturing, pharmaceutical, and in many other industries. Back to our example, when the number of items is higher, then of course you get bigger numbers for combination and permutation. But this is also a very valid information because it tells you that maybe you should reduce the number of possible products that you're considering putting in your showroom. Reason is the decision what products to put in the showroom needs to follow some criteria like more expensive products or new products or something. So if you make those decisions, then you can have an optimized decision for your showroom. So let's make a different selection. Let's take road bikes instead of mountain bikes, and let's take only red road bikes. Let's say it's a promotion we're going to run next month. So we have then 7 products. We have a showroom of 5 bicycles. That means we have 21 different showrooms possible based on that. That's a better number to manage. Then you can decide out of the 21s what makes more sense. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and share with your friends. See you next time.